Here we are in Duncan BC at the DogHouse. Gravy Boat Challenge number 7. Steelburger went with the chicken Oscar and the white gravy here, and I went with the black force ham and the fries and gravy. So let's give it a fried dip, see if it stands, see what happens here. Oh, that's pretty good, that's pretty good. Give it a taste and go for flavor. And oh, that's very rich gravy, good salt, a little spice to it. Let's give that one an 8.7, and then let's try this white gravy. Ooh, that's amazing right there. Now let's give it a taste. Okay, that's going to be a turkey gravy right there. Nice and thick, good salt content to it. I'm going to give the two gravies 9.1. There were two different gravies on this one, a beef and a turkey. Combined score 9.1. Catch you on the next one.